Good morning, Only Life Toronto. Preparing for a demo. See, this is my P90. I'm cleaning it because I'm going to do a demo in Brampton today, 11 o'clock. This is my amazing Therapy 90. And I do have my special case or luggage where I could put in a safe. There you go. And the cord goes to here. And the wired control to adjust the strength or the level. Alright, so this one is my Therapy 90. There you go. Yes, ready to go for my Therapy 90. And next will be my Therapy 90 Plus. Alright, so this is my Therapy 90 Plus. There's a remote controlled, and I already cleaned this, so I will just put this inside here. Here is the cord. There you go. The remote goes to here, and my tester as well, my spatial tester. Okay, Therapy 90 is ready as well. And look at my shaken massager. I'm charging it because shaken massager is on mission today. And my eye massager. So I will charge it. I will charge everything, and then yeah. So this is how Only Life works. Look at my tummy. Yeah? I'm not controlling my breathing, okay? This is real, man. You see? This shaken massager is insane, man. That shaken massager, it burn fat. Okay, have a blessed Tuesday. Only Life Toronto is rock and rolling. Cheers.